Hey, Tej here. Today we are taking a look at technical analysis for gold. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave theory and provide targets and invalidation levels for the presented counts. Let's get going. Before jumping into the actual counts, let's take a look at the RSI. So for this trend that we have on RSI, this trend line from the highs of March 2022, we can see that this decline is now broken. We can see we have a few different daily closes now above this trend line, confirming that this trend line is most likely ended, or at least we have some kind of move ended here. Now, whether it is end of a complete move, we'll see about that. But again, a good indication that something else is coming. Now, something else we have on 2 hour time frame as well is this one. We had this basically a support line coming down from, let me fix that, there we go, not really properly aligned, oh well, close enough. So we had this support line on trend on RSI on the bottom, and now that has been broken here and now back tested on these highs. We did get a divergence, a few divergences here on smaller time frame. We'll look into those in just a moment. But again, a broken trend line here on RSI, giving us signs that this will, at least for a bit, come down. On 30 minutes, we can see even closer this structure. Let me hide this for now. So the rise we had here from the lows, we can see this divergence has had now 3 peaks with 3 lower RSI readings here on the high, giving us bearish divergence on both of these. Now they are both lining up with this trend line, which is giving us even more confidence that this move here has ended. Now on top of that, if we can create a counter that supports that idea, plus having the structural resistance that we have here from these lows, or this backtest back here, is definitely telling that something is ended here, and it is really likely that we are coming down a bit further now. But that's RSI. Let's take a look at some counts. So just going over these quickly, as we have already covered them in previous videos. So primary fall down would be around here, where the E wave of this triangle ended. We would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into intermediate 1. After that, we would have a 3-way move back here, ABC, where we had that trend line here on daily crossing, saying that we could be ending something here. Now on a lower time frame, we can just about make up this leading contracting diagonal. It is not super pretty, but it is legal if we are placing the 3rd, 4th like so. I have taken a short position from these highs. As mentioned, the structural support here, a supporting count, plus the divergences on RSI, definitely some good things going on there, at least to me. We'll see how it plays out though. For this short, I would be at least targeting around the 0.5 where I have this alarm set around $128. We'll see how far I can hold this. Then we have another possibility where we have said that wave 4 of that larger primary wave is not done, and up here we only have the B wave or the X wave. For the X wave, we would be looking for this structure as a 3-wave completed structure. Here we would be looking for B wave, whether it is 5-way structure here or becoming a 3-way structure somehow into the B. And then going down to the C, most likely breaking the lows we had here on March 2021, as that's the goal of WXY, to get the price a bit lower and waste time. For the ABC structure, we would be looking for 5 waves in here, and the idea we had previously got invalidated here, saying we had a 1-2 here and a 1-2 here. Wave 4 did come up higher than this point here, so it invalidates that idea. Now instead we could just be having the wave 2 here giving us some kind of running flat, a really bearish scenario though. So in that case we could be looking at something like 1-2 up here, and then coming downwards. Now we had more confluence for the shorts that I took here as well on this count. Let me change this color, since we got back to the golden pocket. So that is definitely something to keep in mind. Now this is really bearish count. Let's see if these are going to be holding true. That is fine. But again, as wave 1 here is really long, we would be expecting that extension here on this third wave. Let's see, where do we expect that? That would be coming down to 1678, then a bit higher for 4th and 5th, and then the third of this minuet most likely would be coming down to the 2.618 extension here. Something like this, if we are playing this. I will see if I can be playing with this short that I took towards these lows, but again there is definitely bullish scenario here, so I would be looking to take a long here, or at least take some profits for the short here when we are coming down to the 0.618 or 0.5 area. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for gold today. Let me know if you have another coin you would like me to analyze or another asset. There's a link to my Discord server on the description below if you want to join. And yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye.